Children, this is part 2 of the outline story. Let us just read the outline which was given yesterday at the end of the part 1 video. A flock of doves, search of food, tired, some grains, wise old doves warning. They are sorry, asking for help. Flew off together. The hunter was amazed. Landed near the mouse. Mice bit the net. The doves are free. Fly away. Now, these are just points, the main points which are given, and you have to follow the sequence. Means, after point number 1, that is converted or written or built up into a meaningful sentence, you have to write point number 2. You just cannot omit it, you cannot just skip it. So you have to follow it point by point, the outline story that is given, and on this we have to build up a complete story. This is just an outline, the skeleton which is given to us of a story. Now we need to build up a story on this particular points, based on these particular points, and at the end we are going to write what have we learned from this particular story. So that will be your moral. Okay, so now let's get started. Look at this picture. This is part number 1 of the picture of the entire story. The entire story will be displayed on the screen in 4 parts. I want you to view it attentively so that you can build up your ideas and thoughts. This is the third one. All these pictures are related to the points that are given, the outline that is given to you. These pictures are based on that outline. So view it carefully and you can start imagining what exactly the story must be all about so that we can write it down in our book. So as it is already discussed in the points to remember which were given in the first video, you are supposed to write a title taking into consideration the main characters or the main words are to be recognized. Okay, so over here, since we were talking all about the doves in this particular outline, and the old doves who have given them some warning and all, so here we give it a topic as the wise old dove. Let's begin. Here, due to lack of space, I have not left 3 finger space from the margin, but this particular assignment which will be uploaded for you all, in that it will be written accordingly. Okay, so let us start. Once upon a time, a flock of doves were in search of food. They looked here and there, but could not find anything. They were tired. At last, a young dove saw some grains and happily told the others. Same paragraph is continued, my dear students. The oldest dove, who was very wise, told them, I don't think this is safe. How is it that nobody else has eaten the grains? The other doves thought that he was an old fool and so did not listen to him. Soon they were caught in the hunter's net. They realized their mistake and were sorry. They asked the wise old dove to save them. The wise old dove felt sorry for them and said, We must all act together. We shall all fly up carrying the net with us. Now, unity is our only hope. They did what the old dove told them. They all flew off together with the net. The hunter stood there amazed at the sight of the doves flying away with the net. The doves followed the old dove. Soon they reached where the old dove's friend, the mouse, lived. The mice bit the net and set their friends free. The doves thanked the mice, and flew away happily. Moral of the story: unity is strength. My dear children, I hope this outline story is clear to you. On this video, I am not able to, display the entire story on one single page because of the lack of settings. This will be uploaded for you in the assignments section. So you have to copy it down from there in your composition book, and it should be only on the right hand side page of your composition book. Okay, till the next video gets uploaded, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, and God bless you all.